If you have latex allergy, your body mistakes latex for a harmful substance, thereby making your skin itch, causes swelling, and sometimes causes hives on your skin. The best way to stop latex allergies is for you to stop using latex when you know that your skin is allergic to it. Aside from that, there are also natural ingredients you can mix together and apply on the skin topically for it to reduce and get rid of latex allergies on the skin. So stay tuned and watch this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share it to your friends and loved ones. And let's get right into the video.